dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject Maths in Standard 8th. In this video, we are going to continue with our chapter number 16. Name of chapter is Surface Area and Volume. We will solve questions from practice set 16.3. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my all videos. We will first see the formula on which questions from practice set are based. The formula is volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is pi multiplied by r square multiplied by h. So let us solve the sums. So question number 1 from practice set 16.3 is find the volume of cylinder. We have to find the volume of cylinder if h, height, and radius of base r are given below. So we have the values of radius and height. So let us see how to find out. I have written the question on my page. R is equal to 10.5 centimeter and h is equal to 8 centimeter. Again in solution we will start by writing the values. Solution here r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. H is equal to 8 centimeter. This is given to us. Now we will be writing the formula. Just now we have seen the formula for volume of cylinder. Therefore by using formula we should write here so formula for volume of cylinder, volume of a cylinder, I write here volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So now we will be writing the values. We all know pi value we have to write 22 upon 7. If it is not given in the question, we should write 22 upon 7. R square, R value is 10.5. So I write multiply by 10.5 square and multiply by height h is 8. Okay, so r square we have to write 10.5 square multiply by height h is 8. Now 8 cannot be cancelled by 7. That means what? 8 is not divisible by 7. So we will not cancel here. We will write this 22 upon 7 as it is again. Multiply by 10.5 square. Instead of writing square, we will write 10.5 two times. 10.5 multiply by 10.5 and multiply by 8. Now let us see, can we cancel this 10.5 by 7? Cancel means what? Can we divide 10.5 by 7? So 7 ones are 7. Again 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3 remaining, and this 5 means 35. Okay, so 7 5s are 35, but point is there, so I will put a point here. After one point I will put, and 7 5s are 35. So in this way we get 1.5 when we cancel 10.5 by 7. Okay, I will rub out this 35. So what we are getting now? We are getting 22 multiply by 1.5 multiply by 10.5 multiply by 8. We will multiply two numbers first and then we will multiply together. So I will be multiplying 22 into 1.5. 22 into 1.5 first and then 10.5 into 8. These two multiplications I can do orally, so I will be doing it orally. 22 into 15. Okay, so 15 2s are 30. 0 written, 3 carrying. Again 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Only one number is having decimal point here. After point 1 digit is there. So in answer also there should be 1 digit after point. So 33.0 is the answer of multiplication of 22 into 1.5. Now let us multiply 10.5 by 8. This also we can do by orally. So let us do it. 8 5s are 40. 0 written, 4 carrying. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. And 8 ones are 8. in one number only after point one digit is there, so we have to put a point here, so there will be one digit after point. So what we are getting, 33 multiplied by 84. Now this multiplication we will do on our rough page. So here I am doing 84 into 33. 3 4s are 12, 2 written, 1 carrying. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. We have to multiply again by 3, so same numbers will come here, 2 5 2. Now add 2, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 7, and this 2 as it is. Okay, so we are getting 2772. 2772, and the unit for volume is cubic centimeter, or simply we can write centimeter cube. Okay, any one thing unit you can write, either you can write cubic centimeter or you can write centimeter cube. So in this way we can solve this volume of a cylinder. Now let us see this second sum. R is equal to 2.5 meter and H is equal to 7 meter. Now the units of radius and height are meter. We will start our solution by writing the values again. Here R is equal to 2.5 meter, H is equal to 7 meter. After writing the values, we have got the values of R and H. We will be writing the formula by using formula. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi R square H. So now we will be substituting the values. Is equal to pi value we write 22 upon 7, multiply by R value we write 2.5 whole square, multiply by H value is 7. So we can cancel 7 with 7. So as 7 is cancelled with 7, what is remaining? 22 multiplied by 2.5 square can be written as 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. Now 25 square we all know, so 22 as it is I write, and 25 square we all know it is 625. But in this number also point and decimal point, and after that one digit is there. Here also after point one digit is there. So in the answer there should be two digits after point. So point should be written here 6.25. Now we can multiply 6.25 by 25. That means 625 multiplied by 22. So I will be multiplying here 625 multiplied by 22. 22 5s are 110, 0 written, 11 carrying. 22 2s are 44. So 11 plus 44 is 55. Okay, so 5 written, 5 carrying. 22 6 are 132, sorry. 22 6 are 132, correct? 6 and multiply by 22. 22 into 6. Okay, 132, and 132 plus this 5 carrying will be 137. So we are getting answer as 137.50. I have put a point here because in this number after point 2 digits are there. So here we have to put 137.50 point here. Cubic meter is there, so we write meter. Okay, meter is the unit of radius and height, so we should write cubic meter, or we can write meter cube. Any one unit we can write here. Okay, now let's go on our question number 3, third sum. R is equal to 4.2 centimeter is given to us, and H is equal to 5 centimeter is given to us. So we will start solution by writing the values again. Solution. Here R is equal to 4.2 centimeter, H is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we will be writing the formula by using formula. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now we will put the values. Pi value 22 upon 7 we will write. R square means 4.2 square multiplied by h is 5. Now 5 cannot be cancelled by 7, so we write them as it is. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 4.2 multiplied by 4.2. 4.2 square is there, so we have to multiply 4.2 by itself 2 times, multiply by 5. Now this 4.2 can be cancelled by 7. 42 is there in the table of 7. But this 4 is smaller than 7. So first we write 0 here, 0 point. Okay, so 4 minus 0 is 4 and this 2 is 42. 7 6 are 42. We all know that. So 7 6 are 42 we write here. 7 1s are 7. And then 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. In this way we are getting the product of 4 numbers. Now we will multiply two numbers. So 22 into 0.6 we multiply first and 4.2 into 5 we will multiply afterwards. So first multiply 6 into 22. 22 6 is 132, we all know that. And after point 1 digit is there only one number, so in answer also after point there should be 1 digit. So we are getting 13.2 multiply by 42 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 written, 1 carrying, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 21.0 we are getting. So after point 0 is there, it doesn't have any value, so we will write 13.2 multiply by 21. Now we can multiply by 21 very easy. 21 2s are 42, 2 written, 4 carrying. 21 3s are 63, 63 plus 4 is 67, 7 written, 6 carrying. 21 1s are 21, 21 plus 6 is 27. And point should be written here. So it is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Now let's see this last sum from question number 1. R is 5.6, H is 5 centimeter. So we will start writing the values. Here R is equal to 5.6 centimeter, H is equal to 5 centimeter. Now by using formula we should write. By using formula, volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Okay, now we will put the values. Pi value, in place of pi we write 22 upon 7. In place of r square, r value is 5.6, so we write 5.6 square multiply by 5 is, h is 5. Now this 7 and 5 cannot be cancelled, so we write 22 upon 7 as it is. Multiply by 5.6 can be square can be written as 5.6 multiply by 5.6, and this multiply by 5 as it is we are going to write. Now this 5.6 is there in the table of 7, correct? 7 9s are 56, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So but 5 is smaller than 7, so we should write 0 first, then put the point, and then 7 8s are 56. So in this way we can cancel 5.6 by 7, 7 1s are 7 and 7 8s are 56, but we have to put a point and 0 here. Now write 22 multiply by 0.8 multiply by 5.6 multiply by 5. Again we will multiply two numbers, 22 into 0.8 and 5.6 into 5. So 22 8s are, what is the answer? 176, correct? 22 8s are 176. After point 1 digit is there only in one number, so we have to put a point here, multiply by 5 into 5.6. So we will multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30, 0 written, 3 carrying, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 28. Again only in one number after point 1 digit is there, in this number no decimal point, so in answer also there should be decimal point, and after that there should be 1 digit. So 28.0 means only 28. After 0.0 is there, no value. 17.6 multiplied by 28. Now this multiplication we can do on our rough page. $176 multiplied by 28. 8 6 are 48. 8 written, 4 carrying. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 60. 0 written, 6 carrying. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6 14. Okay. 2 6 are 12. 2 written, 1 carrying. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 1 carrying. 2 1s are 2. 1 2 plus 1 3. We will add 8. 0 plus 2 2. 4 plus 5 9. 3 plus 1 4 is equal to 492.8, because only in this number after point 1 digit is there, so in the answer also after point there should be 1 digit. It is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So in this way first question is over here. Now let us read this question. How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 cm and diameter 1.4? We all know rod is always of cylindrical in shape. For example, if you consider this pen is a iron rod, so the length is given. Length is 90 cm. That means actually the height of this rod is given. Okay, and then diameter of base is given. So from diameter we can find out the radius of this cylindrical rod. We have to find out the quantity of iron needed to make the rod. That means what? Actually we have to find out volume of that iron rod. Quantity of iron needed means what? We have to find out volume. How much iron is needed to make the rod. So we have to find out volume. How much iron we require to make that rod. So let us see how to solve the sum. I have written the question on my page. We start our solution. For a cylindrical iron rod. Okay, we should write the shape cylindrical here, because we know it is cylindrical in shape because the diameter is given. So whenever diameter is given, it is cylindrical in shape because diameter is there only in the circle. So base is cylinder, base is circle, that means the rod is cylinder. Now for a cylindrical iron rod, what is given to us? Length 90 cm. Length means height. Okay, length means height. H is equal to 90 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter. As diameter is 1.4, therefore its radius, we all know radius is half of diameter, so 1.4 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, we all know, so 0.7 centimeter. Why I have written 0.7? Because this one is smaller than 2. So when we cancel, first we have to write 0, and 0.7 centimeter will be the radius of this rod. So to find how much iron needed to make a rod, that is, this is that is, short form of that is to find volume of iron rod. Okay, so we will be using the formula for volume by using formula volume of a cylindrical rod We will be using the formula for volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. Pi r square h. We will put the values here. Pi value, we all know it is always 22 upon 7. When the value is not given in the bracket with question, we should write 22 upon 7. R is 0.7 square and h is 90. So this 0.7 square, we can write it as 0.7 multiplied by 0.7 and multiply by 90. So 7 and 7 getting cancelled, 1 is there, 0.7 is there, so we will get 0.1 here. Okay, now let us do the multiplication here. 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into 90. Now 22 into 0.1 will be 2.2, because 22 ones are 22, we all know, and we will multiply by 7 and 90. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 nines are 63. Okay, now see children, here after decimal point only one digit is there, so we will be putting the decimal point here after 3, so there will be only one digit, so we are getting 63.0. so 63.0 means 63. So 2.2 multiplied by 63, this multiplication we will have to do now. That means we will have to multiply by 22 to 63. So 22 3s are 66, we all know, 6 written, 6 carrying, 22 6 are 132, and 132 plus 6 carrying 6 is 138. And after decimal point one digit in this one number only, here no decimal point, no digit after decimal point, so here we will put the decimal point, and so that there will be one digit after decimal point. So 138.6 is the answer. As it is volume, the unit will be cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is the unit. Now let us write the answer statement, because this is word problem. So we will be writing the answer statement. Therefore, to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter diameter is 1.4 centimeter, we require or need iron of 138.6 cubic centimeter. Okay, so this much iron is required to make the rod. Now let us see this third question. How much water will tank hold if the interior diameter is given of a tank is 1.6 meter and depth is 0.7 centimeter. So that means what, we have to find out the volume of this tank. As diameter is given, the tank is cylindrical in shape, so we have to find out volume of tank or capacity of tank. How much water it hold means what, capacity of tank we have to find out. So as the diameter of base is given or inner diameter is given, so inner diameter is given means what, this tank is of cylindrical in shape. This is the tank which is cylindrical in shape, and so we have to find out the capacity or how much water will it hold. Depth is given, this depth is 0.7 meter. Depth means what, height is given, this is 0.7 meter, and diameter is given. So diameter is given 1.6. From diameter we can find out the radius, and then we can find out the capacity or volume of this tank of water. So let us start our solution. For a cylindrical tank, diameter is equal to 1.6 meter, and therefore its radius is equal to 1.6 upon 2. This one is smaller than 2, so when we cancel we first write 0. 0 point, this 16, 2 8s are 16, so 0.8 meter we are getting the radius. And depth is given, so depth means what? Height is given to us. Height is equal to h, which is equal to 0.7 meter. Now we will be using the formula to find the volume of this tank. By using formula, volume of a cylindrical tank is equal to pi r square h. We will put the values here. Pi value we write 22 upon 7. R value is 0.8 square and h value is 0.7. This 0.7 can be cancelled with 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. 0 point is there, so we write 0.1. So 22 into 0.8 square means 0.8 into 0.8 multiplied by 0.1. 22 into 8 square, we all know 8 into 8 is 64. 8 8s are 64. So it will be 0.64. Why after point there should be 2 digits? Because in 0.8 also after point 1 digit is there. In 0.8 also after point 1 digit is there. So in answer there should be 2 digits after decimal point. Multiply by 0.1. So that means 22 into 0.1 will be 2.2 multiply by 0.64. So we will be multiplying 22 by 64 or 64 by 22, and afterwards we will put the decimal points here. Okay, writing decimal point is very important here, children. So you should see that where to put the decimal point, and after decimal point how many digits should be there in the answer. So here we have to multiply by 22. 22 multiply by 64. 22 4s are 88. 8 written and 8 carrying. Then 22 6 are 132, and 132 plus 8 carrying is 140. Here also, in this number also after decimal point 1 digit is there. In this number after decimal point there are 2 digits. So in answer there should be 3 digits after decimal point. 1.408 should be the answer. Now this is cubic meter. Now we have to find out how much water will a tank hold. That means we have to find out the capacity of water. So we will convert this cubic meter into liter. Okay, so I will be writing to find how much water will a tank hold. Okay, that is to find capacity of a water tank. Okay, so capacity always we find in liter. Therefore capacity of a water tank is equal to, we have to convert this cubic meter into liter. We have seen how to convert this cubic meter in a liter. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 1.408 by 1000, so it will be converted into liter. Okay, so now 1.408 multiply by 10,000. When we have to multiply by the multiples of 10, what we have to do, we have to shift this decimal point on the right hand side. As many zeros are there in the multiple of 10, we have to shift the decimal point on right hand side after that many digits. So what do I mean to say? Here we can see that there are 3 zeros in 1000. So this decimal point will be shifted on the right hand side after 3 digits. Okay, as the 3 zeros are there, the decimal point will be shifted on the right hand side after 3 digits. So decimal point will come here after 408. 3 digits are there. So 1408. Now the decimal point will be here. So after 8 no digit is there, so we don't require to write a decimal point also. It means what? 1408.00 will be there. So after 0.00 is there, no value. So it is 1408 liter, 1408 liter. So now write the answer statement. Therefore, a water tank will hold water of 1408 liter. In this way we have to finish the answer and solution of this question. Now see this last question. Find the volume of the cylinder if the circumference of cylinder is 132 cm and the height is 25 cm. We have given circumference of the base of cylinder and height is given, and from that we have to find out the volume. So as the circumference is given, radius is not given. We all know in formula of volume of cylinder we require R, that means value of radius, and H. So H is given, height is given to us, but value of R is not given. So we should first find out the value of radius from this circumference. Circumference formula we have studied last year in our 7th standard, circumference of a circle. So let us use that formula first to find out the value of radius, and afterwards we will be using the formula for volume of cylinder. So in this cylinder we have given the height, which is 25 cm, and we have given this circumference, full circumference of the circle. Base is given, a circumference of this base is given, which is 132. So let us start the solution. For a cylinder, height is 25 cm. So I write height H is equal to 25 cm. And what is given to us? Circumference. Circumference is equal to 132 centimeter. Now see children, circumference formula we will be using by using formula circumference of circle is equal to pi 2 pi r. Okay, it is not only pi, it is 2 pi r. I will be writing 2 pi here. This formula we have studied last year in 7th standard. So circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is given 132. So below circumference I will be writing 132 is equal to 2 into pi value is 22/7 into r value we have to find out. Okay. So first I will be transferring this 2 multiplied by 22/7 into r. That means I will be exchanging the sides. I write this right side on left and left side on right. Okay. So let us exchange the sides now. So 2 into 22/7 multiplied by r is equal to 132. Now I will transfer these numbers. R as it is I am writing on left hand side. 132 as it is I am writing on right hand side. These numbers I have to transfer from left to right. So as I am transferring only the numbers from left to right, I have to change the operations between them. So this multiply by 2 will become divide by 2, and 22/7 will become 7/22. Okay. Now we can cancel these numbers. 22 ones are 22, 22 6 are 132. We all know that. So what we are getting, r is equal to 6 into 7 upon 2. So again this 6 can be cancelled by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We are getting R is equal to 3 into 7, and therefore R is equal to 3 7s are 21 centimeter. So in this way R value we have got. So as we have got the value of R, now we can find out volume of cylinder by using formula. Now we will use the formula of volume of a cylinder. Pi R square H. Now we will put the values. Pi value 22 upon 7. R square is 21 square. Multiply by H is given 25. So 22 upon 7. Instead of writing square of 21, we write 21 multiply by 21 2 times and multiply by 25 as it is. Now cancel this 21 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So we are getting 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. 22 3s are 66. Multiply by 21 into 25. 25 1s are 25. 5 return 2 carrying. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 2 is 52. Now we can multiply this 5 to 5 by 66 on our rough page. 5 to 5 multiply by 66. 6 5s are 30. 0 return 3 carrying. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 5 return 1 carrying. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. Again we have to multiply by 6. So same numbers will come. We will add 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 1, 4 and this 3. So we are getting 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. Cubic centimeter. Okay. So in this way we get this full solution. First we have to find out the value of radius from circumference. As circumference is given to us, we can first find out the value of radius, and then from radius we can find out volume of a cylinder.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.